Hello everybody, again it's me. I'm back. For today, we're going to unbox this parcel from Shein. So this is the one that I use for my house, wear for my house, so it's a house shoes. So my nails is still wet, but then I'm gonna open this one. Yeah, still wet. I don't have scissors, but it's okay. I can fix it later. So I have here a lot of, oh my gosh, drama. Sometimes I speak with my own dialect, so there it goes. My size is size 36. So I'm checking if it's dry, then I can try on. So I can try this on. So this is how it looks like. Okay, next. And also I have my outfit here. 60 outfit. So, okay, next is this one. It's raining outside. Oh, it's tight. The second pair. Next is so this one, third. So this one, last. Oh, for my sleeping outfit. So I'm thinking that in my Patreon account, I'm going to put a tier membership there, like 60 outfit, like 2-piece, swimwear outfit. So those wants to see me wearing a 60 outfit, then this is just dress, sleeping dress. Yeah, something like this. So I can post to my Patreon account, so you can join there for membership. And then, yeah, I will do that. And this one is very nice. Small cover.